Welcome dear viewers. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Visio. If this is the first time to visit my channel, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to be notified of new videos. First, we need to download the Office deployment tool from Microsoft. I extracted it to ODT folder on my desktop. I moved all files to a new folder, except setup.exe, and configuration.xml. Renamed it to configuration.xml, just to be simple. After rename, open it with a notepad. Remove the channel. Remove 365 product. Modify Visio Pro Retail to Visio Pro 2019 volume. Close the file, and save the configuration. Now to open the PowerShell from this path, click the Shift key, and right-click the mouse, and open the PowerShell window here. Copy and paste this command, to start downloading, and set up the Visio. I will leave the command in the description box below. Setup started, and it will take time depending on the internet speed. Congratulations! The Visio was installed successfully. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.